Good morning, Augustus. I hope you're doing well. Mr. Otoy here. I'm going to show you some math problems today. Just watch what I do on the screen. It'll be a 5-minute video. It'll cut me off eventually, and then I'll have you do some assignments. So I've noticed that you've been doing very well when we multiply a 2-digit number times a 2. So remember, we're multiplying here, going up here, bring down your 0, go this way. Got 15, carry my 1, 10 plus 1 is 11, okay? And then we're going to add those. Okay, so we'll get 1196 for that one, okay? So that's how you do those. And then remember, if you add another digit here, you're just gonna multiply an extra step. So we would do 2 times 3 is 6 here. And then this one would end up being an extra step here. Okay, which is carrying the 1. 15 plus 1 is 16. So instead of having this 1 here, Custis, you'd have 16. So it just makes for a longer problem. But those are the types of problems I'll give you like that for review. I know you know how to do those. And then real quickly here, if we've got a division problem, I don't know if you've done many of these since we've been in the closure yet. So we're going to try to take 6 into 3. Remember, it can't go into a smaller number. We put an X or a 0. So 6 into 32. So you got to count by your 6s, and this is where a chart comes, but you could probably find one online. 6 times 5 is 30. Okay, so that's step 2. We multiply. Okay, step 3 is subtract to get 2. Step 4 is to bring down. We can't take 6 into 2, so we bring down. Now we're taking 6 into 23. 6 times 3 is 18. Okay, and then we do our subtraction where we're going to have to borrow, right? We got 13 minus 8, which is 5. So this answer is 53 with the remainder of 5. Okay, let me show you one more of those. And then I want to show you some fraction stuff. And this week for math, you'll be doing these and fractions, okay? So I'll give you a few assignments. They won't be due till Friday for you, okay, Custis? I miss seeing you, man. I wish we could do some Zooms. If you ever want to, let me know. 8 can't go into 6. 0, right? 8 times 7 is 56. Okay, so now I'm on step 2. Step 3 is to subtract. Can't do it, so I'm going to subtract that and get 7. Can't take it into 7, bring down my 1. I'm on step 4. 8 into 71, how many times? So if we know 8 times 8 is 64, 8 times 9 is 72, it'd be 8, right? 64. I'm going to subtract this, Custis, to get 7. Okay, so it's 78, remainder 7. All right, that's how you do those. Now, when you're multiplying a fraction, this is pretty simple. I think you and I talked about this earlier on before the closure. So I'm going to do it with cross-canceling, okay? That's what it's called. So 3 and 6, you can divide into those two. 3 goes into 3 once, so you got to find out what number goes into it. 3 goes into 6 twice. This one you can't do anything, okay? So now we just simply multiply across, okay? 1 times 4 is 4. 5 times 2 is 10. And on that one, we do have a remainder, which is weird, or we have to redivide this. So you would divide these by 2, Custis, because 2 goes into both of those, and we would get 2/5. Okay? That seems like a lot of work. Let's try a different one. So if we have 4 over 6 times 2 over 2. All right, so we got to look both sides. So first you're looking here, and can 2 go into 2 and 2 go into 6? Yes. So we're going to cross those out. All we're doing is dividing here. Custis, 2 divided by 2 is 1, and then 6 divided by 2 is 3. Okay, I've got 30 seconds left, so I'll try hurry up. And then this, you're going to go 2 into 4 twice, 2 into 2 once, and we've got 2 times 1 is 2, and then 3 times 1 is 3. So that's our final answer. Okay, so it's going to say cross-canceling up here at the top of your worksheet. I want you to try work on these the best you can. My video is going to shut off soon, okay? do your work. Remember to submit me something and then turn it in on Classroom.